Hey, I'm Mike Exeter. Welcome to the Orange Goblin mixing ritual. In this course, I'm going to show you how I mixed Gemini, Twins of Evil, from the brand new Orange Goblin album, Science Not Fiction. I'll show you all my mixing techniques, every plugin, all the automation, and everything I went through to make this song sound great. The course also includes the multitracks, so you can mix the song yourself. You can even submit your mix for professional feedback by Kristian Kohle. And of course, the best mix will win some fantastic prizes. You can either purchase the course or become a member of the Kohle Audio Cult Academy, which as well as this course gives you access to all the other multitracks, plugins, and makes you part of a great community of metal mixers. So to get your hands on 5 minutes of organic and vibey sounding space rock, click the link below.
I am the face of the